Afternoon. It's been a chilly start, slippery, icy out on the roadways, and we're going to continue to track the return for more snow on the way. I'll have more coming up in just a moment. Quick glance at some of our numbers. We're hoping to get up to 4 as a daytime high. Average sits at 9 and a record of 14 degrees. That was set back in 1986. Planned through the afternoon, we are going to still see the chance for some wet flurries or showers, especially for higher elevations. And then the precipitation is going to pick up and intensify late this evening and take us in towards tomorrow morning. So here's the weather maker that is going to bring in that active weather. We're already starting to see some light snowfall for areas along the coast. We are going to see it pick up, especially by this evening, with very windy conditions. Now, the areas of concern along the coast with those winds of gusts of up to 110 kilometers per hour. Prince Rupert, coastal areas could see up to 10 centimeters, but it's inland. Continuing this evening and for tomorrow morning, Kitimat and Stewart could see anywhere between 15 and up to 30 centimeters of snow before it does start to ease off. That same system is going to drive in towards the south, and this is what we're seeing across Metro Vancouver. 5 and up to 15 centimeters with higher amounts along the North Shore Mountains, the Fraser Valley, right along the Sea to Sky Highway, and it'll be temperature dependent. Areas across the south could see some rain mixed with snow or little in terms of precipitation and amounts, but we'll be tracking that, especially for the early morning hours, and that'll time out for the morning commute on Thursday. Also to note, we've got some snow that'll pick up this evening, continue to be heavy at times. If you're traveling along the mountain passes, you'll want to check in with drivebc.ca for the latest road conditions, but even along the Sea to Sky, we've got an additional 5 and 10 centimeters for tomorrow. Coca Hollow will pick up tonight between 5 and 10, 10 and 15 for tomorrow, and the Kootenay Pass also with higher amounts. So the snow will intensify. You'll want to plan ahead if you're traveling along the mountain passes. Now, the northeastern corners of the province, those winds pick up, gusts of up to 60 with the wind chill feeling like minus 13. Sunny and rebounding through Thursday, Friday, but still gusty winds through the day tomorrow up to 60 kilometers per hour. Whitehorse with the few isolated flurries in the mix, temperatures dropping off into the minus teens. Along the north coast, the heavier snowfall will pick up, especially this evening and for tomorrow morning. So inland between 15 and up to 30 centimeters. Caribou and central interior, we've got a few isolated flurries, breaks in there, especially as we look ahead towards our Friday. Columbia and Kootenay will also see some of that mixed precipitation, but we'll be tracking it, especially along the mountain passes for higher elevations. Thompson, Okanagan will see a bit of a transition as we get in towards the morning hours, and areas near Whistler, it'll be heavy snow right along the Sea to Sky corridor, and we are going to continue to track some of that moisture even leading in towards Friday with some isolated flurries. It'll be cold enough and breezy for areas that are closer to the water, so we are going to keep a close eye overnight and for tomorrow morning with that mixed precipitation for areas towards the south. Accumulating snowfall for higher elevations between 5 and up to 15 centimeters. Unsettled so far for Friday, Saturday, and we're hoping it's still a few days out. Latter half of the weekend will rebound. We'll see the return for some sunshine and temperatures even getting up to 9 degrees. A couple of announcements. A very happy birthday going out to Bus Ellis from Kamloops celebrating 100. And congratulations to Avtar Kar Sahara from Langley celebrating 100. Happy birthday to you both. Anne?
All right. Happy birthday indeed. Thanks for that, Yvonne. BC is